Hello student. So today we are going to learn about the need and importance of business environment. So student, till now we have understood the meaning of environment, business environment and its components and its feature. So student, business environment means what? The sum total of all the external factors like economic, political, legal, technological and social factors which may affect your business directly and indirectly. So in this chapter we are going to learn about the various advantages or needs and importance of business environment. Okay, why a businessman should know their environment. So here in point number 1 it is given that it enables the firm to identify the opportunities and getting first mover advantage. So what does it mean? Student, business environment provides many opportunities to the firms to improve their performance. Okay, the firms which are able to scan these opportunities at an early stage get maximum benefit. Okay, can leave their competitors behind. Now what does it mean? देखो, एक एनवायरनमेंट में जो होता है ना बिजनेस का अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ वो रहता है, तो एज ए बिजनेसमैन, एज ए क्लेवर बिजनेसमैन और सक्सेसफुल, इफ़ यू वांट टू गेट सक्सेस इन योर बिजनेस यू शुड स्कैन दोस एनवायरनमेंट रेगुलरली, और वहाँ से ही तुम्हें अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिलेगा, और उसको अगर तुम अपने बिजनेस में इम्प्लीमेंट करना करते हो तभी जाके तुम्हें सक्सेस मिल सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इन योर बुक वन एग्जाम्पल इज गिवन दैट साइंटिफिक रिसर्च हैज केम आउट विथ एन एनर्जी एफिशिएंट लाइट बल्ब. ठीक है, क्योंकि साइंटिफिक रिसर्च किया गया था और वहाँ से ये बताया गया था कि एनर्जी एफिशिएंट लाइट बल्ब जो है विच लास्ट एटलीस्ट 20 टाइम्स मोर देन द नॉर्मल बल्ब. तो ये जो जनरल इलेक्ट्रिक और फिलिप्स तब का जो कंपनी था, उन लोगों ने इस साइंटिफिक रिसर्च को आइडेंटिफाई कर दिया और क्या किया, दे आर कमिंग अप विद देयर न्यू बल्ब्स, तो ऑब्वियसली दे आर गेटिंग सक्सेस. सो अनदर वन एग्जांपल आई कैन गिव यू दैट at the time when everyone in the world, everyone loves लग्जरी कार. ओके, लग्जरी कार्स जिनको पसंद हैं, जो कि मीन्स कॉस्टली होते हैं, तो एट दैट टाइम मारुति उद्योग, जो हम लोगों का जो कार मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी है इंडिया में, ठीक है, एट प्रेजेंट इट इज़ कम अंडर द जॉइंट वेंचर ऑफ मारुति सुजुकी एज वी ऑल नो. तो उस टाइम में मारुति उद्योग ने कार मैन्युफैक्चरिंग जो कंपनी है, उन लोगों ने ऐसा कार के लिए सोचा कि क्यों ना ऐसा कार बनाया जाए जो इंडिया में मिडिल क्लास फैमिली है उनको उनका जो मीन्स सेटिस्फेक्शन है उसको पूरा कर सके. तो दे केम अप विद ए लो बजट कार. So this is what? This is the opportunity which your business environment is giving, and as a businessman you have to identify those opportunities and use them in your business if you want to get success. ठीक है, एक environment ही है, एक business environment ही है जो कि businessman को lots of opportunities दिलाता है, और as a businessman you have to identify those opportunities. Okay. Point number 2, it helps the firm to identify threats and early warning signal. देखो student, what does it mean? Like in earlier point we have understood that business environment helps your business to identify the opportunities and help you to get those opportunities. In the same way, business environment also helps you to identify the threats means क्या है, problem, the risks which you may face in future. So business environment क्या करते हैं, एक अपने बिजनेसमैन को अर्ली थ्रेट्स, जो अर्ली रिस्क हो सकता है उसके बारे में एडवांस में बताते हैं, सो डैट द बिजनेसमैन कैन टेक प्रिकॉशंस. ओके, सो जैसे कि अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ देते हैं वैसे ही बिजनेस और एनवायरनमेंट कुछ अगर थ्रेट्स हो सकता है, कुछ अगर रिस्क आ सकता है इन फ्यूचर, उसके बारे में भी बताते हैं. देन एनवायरनमेंट अंडरस्टैंडिंग हेल्प्स एन एंटरप्राइज टू रिकॉग्नाइज द qualitative information in advance which can be used to prepare it for facing likely challenges. See, in business organization as a businessman you have to face lots of challenges, but you don't know what kind of challenges you may face. But if you scan your business environment regularly, it may help you to identify those challenges and take the precautions in advance. For example, suppose any MNC is entering in Indian market, the manager of an Indian firm dealing with the same product as that of the MNC should take it as a warning signal. Why? Because as we know, the product produced by the MNCs, they always have a better quality, means in terms of standard of quality they are always better than Indian product. Okay, so generally there may be a chances that the Indian company may lose their market share, they can lose their customer, because customer generally prefer the standard quality of goods. So at that time, अगर इंडियन मार्केट को पहले से ही पता चल जाता है कि हाँ कुछ एमएनसी आने वाले हैं जो कि प्रोडक्ट सेल करने वाला है विच इज़ सिमिलर टू द काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट दे आर सेलिंग. सो एट दैट टाइम as a means successful businessman or as a brilliant businessman और मैनेजर वो क्या करेंगे, वो अपने प्लान और पॉलिसीज़ में ऐसा कुछ चेंजेस लाएंगे सो डेट दे कैन ऑल्सो इम्प्रूव देयर प्रोडक्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ क्वालिटी एंड quality and so that they can retain their customer. Okay, so business environment helps the businessman to identify the threats. Okay, और early warning कि अच्छा ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है in future. Point number 3 is it helps in tapping useful resources. Now student, as you know, resources are the scarce. Okay, कि business organization needs inputs, after that they convert them into output and distribute to the customer and earning profits. So business requires many resources like raw materials, tools, equipments, finance, labor, etc. for performing business activities. These resources are also known as inputs. So business environment is the duty of business environment to identify the resources, because there are lots of resources are available, but as a businessman you should identify that which resources you need and you have to use them properly. Okay, proper utilization of resources must be there. The firms supply their output to the environment. Okay, for example, goods and services to the customer, payment to the investor on account of money invested by them, payment of wages to the workers, and so on. Thus we can say that business firms depend fully on the environment and for supplying the inputs and for receiving their output. So it is very very important. तो business environment generally क्या होता है, जो भी अपना resources होता है वो बिजनेसमैन क्या करते हैं, अपना जो भी रिसोर्सेज है, चाहे वो फिनेंशियल रिसोर्सेज हो, मटेरियल रिसोर्सेज हो, एनी रिसोर्सेज, दे जनरली गेट इट फ्रॉम एनवायरनमेंट. So it is the duty of a businessman to the way they are taking the resources from the business environment is the duty to return them in the same way in terms of quality or quantity. Clear? Point number 4 is it helps in coping with the rapid changes. Now student, what does it mean? देखो, business environment is a dynamic one. Now what is dynamic? What is dynamic, student? Dynamic means which changes very fast, rapidly changes. Okay, so business environment में क्या होते हैं, see, one cannot see the changes like this means what? देखो, changes are very means changes happens regularly. You cannot deny the changes or you cannot ignore the changes. Okay, especially in case of technological environment. तो ऐसे cases में क्या होते हैं, in order to efficiently cope with these changes, manager must understand their environment and should adopt the appropriate courses of action at the right time. It helps the management become more sensitive to ever-changing needs of customers. As a result, they are able to respond to such changes effectively. So यहाँ पे क्या बोला गया है, as business environment is very dynamic, it changes spontaneously. तो if you are living in a business environment or if you are scanning your environment regularly, or it also help you to cope up with the changes. Okay, जैसे कि for example at nowadays everything has become digitalized. Okay, so if you are doing your business in the same old traditional method, it is not feasible for a businessman like you to get success. So at this stage you need changes, and it is only with the help of environment, only with the help of business environment that you can change, you can cope up with the changes. Point number 5 is it helps in assisting planning and policy formulation. So देखो, business environment brings both threats and opportunities. हम सभी को पता है वो threats भी लाते हैं, opportunities भी लाते हैं. Means now it's up to us as a businessman how we are taking these opportunities and threats. So hence the understanding of environment helps the management in future planning and decision making. Okay, तो अगर if you know your environment properly, it will help you to make policies and plans for your business organization. Okay, as you know, without planning, हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था, अगर प्लानिंग ना होगा तो बिजनेसमैन कभी सक्सेस हो पाएंगे, नहीं हो पाएंगे. बट वाइल प्रिपरेशन ऑफ दोस प्लान यू नीड टू स्कैन योर एनवायरनमेंट प्रॉपरली कि क्या एट प्रेजेंट क्या सिचुएशन हो रहा है. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है कि कंपटीशन इंक्रीजेस विद द एंट्री ऑफ न्यू फर्म्स इन द मार्केट ऑब्वियसली वेन एवर एनी न्यू फर्म एंटर इन टू मार्केट कंपटीशन ऑब्वियसली इंक्रीजेस बट एट दैट टाइम इफ द बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन scan the environment ki okay these are the competitors, they are entering into the market, so now we have to make the plan accordingly, now we have to make the policies so that we can compete with them. So this is only the way with which a businessman can get success or can cope up, कैन गेट सक्सेस. एंड फॉर दिस पर्पज़ क्या होते हैं, जो पॉलिसी और प्लानिंग जो फॉर्मुलेशन होते हैं वो भी एनवायरनमेंट को स्कैन करके बनाया जाता है. नेक्स्ट, इट हेल्प्स इन इम्प्रूविंग द परफॉर्मेंस. एनवायरमेंटल अवेयरनेस प्रोवाइड्स ए कंटिन्यूइंग ब्रॉड बेस्ड एजुकेशन फॉर मैनेजमेंट. देखो, if you give a close look to your environment, you will get lots of education, you will get lots of knowledge, understanding. Okay, so with this knowledge इट विल हेल्प यू टू इम्प्रूव योर परफॉर्मेंसेस. ठीक है, आज से 5 साल पहले जो एनवायरनमेंट था जिसमें एज ए मैनेजर यू आर वर्किंग, एज ए बिजनेस यू आर वर्किंग, सो डू यू थिंक दैट आफ्टर 5 years you are doing the same kind of things? No, because environment is dynamic, it changes continuously and regularly. So with these changes you are also becoming dynamic, you are also coping up with the new changes, and in this process जैसे कि तुम अपने आप को cope up कर रहे हो with the changes, you are getting lots of knowledges, and उससे क्या होता है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस एंड बिजनेसमैन का क्या होता है, डेवलपमेंट होता है, उनका परफॉर्मेंस डेवलपमेंट होता है. द एंटरप्राइज दैट मॉनिटर देयर एनवायरनमेंट क्लोजली कैन एडॉप्ट सुइटेबल बिजनेस practices not only to improve their performance but also to become leaders in the industry. ठीक है, सो ऐसे ही बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को हेल्प करते हैं बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट. सो यू शुड नो दैट हाउ द बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट हेल्प्स द बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. So student, this is not only helpful for your study purpose but in practical life also. When you are going to study for MBA or any professional management courses, so that time it will help you. Okay, so this is about the need and importance of business environment. If you have any doubt, you can write down in the comment section. Okay, so this is for today. Thank you.